Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more travel tips and reviews. All the links mentioned in this review, including the one for JustFly, are down in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. In this JustFly booking platform review, I'll delve into my usage experience and provide a comprehensive overview of its features and functionality. JustFly is a travel booking platform renowned for its competitive pricing and user-friendly interface. It caters specifically to budget-minded travelers seeking affordable flight, hotel, and car rental options. The platform's intuitive search engine empowers users to quickly compare prices from hundreds of airlines, encompassing both major carriers and budget-friendly alternatives. A particularly helpful feature of JustFly is its dynamic price comparison tool. This feature ensures you're presented with the most up-to-date and competitive rates by displaying real-time prices across a range of dates and destinations. Flexible date searches further enhance this functionality, enabling you to explore alternative travel dates and potentially unlock even greater savings. JustFly also boasts customizable search filters, allowing you to refine your results based on criteria such as price, flight duration, number of stopovers, departure times, and preferred airlines. This granular control allows you to tailor your itinerary precisely to your needs and preferences. Beyond flights, JustFly offers discounted hotel rates and car rental deals, consolidating all aspects of your travel planning into a single, convenient platform. Keeping track of price fluctuations is made easy with JustFly's Fare Alerts. This valuable tool sends you notifications about price drops for specific routes, empowering you to book at the optimal time. The booking process on JustFly is designed for simplicity and efficiency. Once your booking is confirmed, you'll promptly receive your tickets and/or booking confirmations via email. While JustFly excels in pricing and ease of use, it's important to acknowledge that customer service reviews are varied. Some users have reported challenges with refunds or flight changes. Therefore, it's highly recommended that you thoroughly review the platform's cancellation policies before finalizing your purchase. To summarize, JustFly is an excellent choice for travelers prioritizing cost savings without compromising convenience. It's particularly well-suited for those focused on securing the best flight deals and who appreciate a straightforward booking process. If you've used JustFly or have any questions about its features, please share your thoughts and inquiries in the comments section below. For additional information and direct links, be sure to check the description. Thank you for watching, and I wish you happy travels.